back with another quick episode for my AI music money people. So if you're making music and you're trying to make money, go ahead and tune in. A little quick, this is just a quick video for my AI music money people, my people out there making money with music, and giving an update. I just took a big payout on the 26th of February. Got another one waiting because I just got asked for it the next day. They're making me wait. And I want to thank all the people that have been using my affiliate link, right? They're paying me $10 one time every time you use it. So I appreciate that. If you pay your $10 for a year, they're essentially passing that right on to me, and I appreciate you, okay? How am I doing this? Well, I'm creating albums with Suno AI, and I'm taking them and then creating playlists, and then I'm creating album covers in ChatGPT. You can create these for free. And then I'm putting them into Canva here and editing my thumbnails. You know how I edit. I add a little filter. This is a quick dirty of the course, right? But I edit the filter. I put my favorites in there. I love the nostalgic ones. Then I always blur the background, give it a little autofocus, and I download that. And I download the playlist. Now you can download WAVs one at a time, but I got a nice tool right here, Suno Helper in the community. I'll move my picture so you can see it. Oh, not that. I'll move my picture so you can see it. And you can see the tool. We got this nice tool in there. Downloads your albums all at once. But because of this, people are uploading way too much music. I'm uploading music right now. I'm uploading an album. I upload every day. My recommendation for people starting off is still the same. One artist, 2 albums a week. 3 was max. If you can get them published, then publish them. But you have to understand that an album needs to be published. It needs to turn green in DistroKid, right? You're going to publish it. It's going to have a little light beside it. It's going to be yellow for days. It needs to be green before you publish your next album. I'm not saying it's not going to publish. I'm just saying that that is what I recommend, and that's what I follow. My recommendation is 1 artist, 2 albums. Try to get to roughly 500 songs in 90 days, right? That's less than 100 songs a week. You could, but that's roughly 2 albums a week, or, publish an album every 4 days, every 5 days. At first, maybe it's taking longer for your albums to publish. Maybe you're doing different languages, different keywords, different niches, right? And things change. If you're uploading explicit lyrics, if you're cussing at support, if you're instantly created 5 artists and uploaded 5 albums on your first day, right? All of these things are not stuff that I recommend. So I just want to give a quick recommendations video on what I recommend from a guy that's actually making money with AI music, right? Don't spam the SERPs. We're not doing that. Don't confuse my strategy here of creating music with spamming the search engines. That's not what we're doing, right? But you see, we got our playlist to download, and then the same thing. We have this DistroKid helper tool. I'm not going to click it. I'm leaning around the camera, by the way. And it autofills what we want to do here. You can see I'm doing Outlaw Country with my Gravel Dust artist, right? And that guy's got, 12,000, 13,000 views on Spotify already. The strategy works. The method works. The risk is real. There's platform risk. Every platform that you use, Apple, YouTube, Spotify, has an individual inherent risk in of itself. And now everything I say is not financial advice. I'm just a dude on the internet showing you what I'm doing. Okay, there's no difference here. But if you guys are interested, I got free courses, and we got the school community if you want to come in and DM me and ask each other questions. But remember, take everyone's advice, including mine, with a grain of salt, and make your own best choices. Make your own best guesses, and put your own best effort in. Don't just blindly follow anyone. I don't recommend doing that. People are there to help you and guide you, but some people aren't. Some people have their ulterior motives. Some people want to post doom and gloom. Some people maybe want to destroy things. I'm not saying that's happening, but I'm just telling you to keep that in your mind, that not everybody has a good reason behind their actions, okay? But that's the quick, low-down, dirty method of how I've made most of my money. Yes, I spend more time making my songs. They're not all dust on my boots and shadows crawl wide. You know what I'm saying? If they all say that, right, then it's not going to look good. But I'm going to tell you, it likes to repeat the word dust. But you got to get your lyrics to where it's not a repetitive thing, right? Kneeling on timber under moon sky. I would play it, but you can't hear it. 26, 25 songs plus or minus. All my songs are all my albums are between 15 to 30 songs plus or minus. I'd rarely do a 35 track album anymore. 225 song albums a week is 100 songs a week, bro. So every 3 or 4 days, publish an album. That doesn't mean publish an album every day on your brand new account with 5 new artists to 10 new artists, right? I haven't tried that method. I'm not saying it doesn't work, but I'm saying people that are getting their stuff kicked out are putting in, people that are possibly having their albums not uploaded. A lot of the issues I've seen, I've talked to a lot of people now, and this is more than one person. This is like 3 or 4 people that have had their albums not get published, had to resubmit. They've either had very repetitive, similar sounding songs. So that means they're using like the same exact props or something. I'm not sure, but could be anything. And then, people that are, being rude to support. I know this is a common thing. People think because we're talking to AI that we can cuss at it or we can be rude to the AI. It's going to get reviewed by a human before they even send you an email or a message back. Keep that in mind. And if they see like this, and if you're using talk to text, right, this is a huge one. If you're using like talk to voice and you cuss, oh shit, fuck, damn, right? Hopefully this doesn't get me demonetized. It's going to go into your text and it's going to publish in there and they're going to read it. Okay. I'm guilty of that myself, cussing at the machine, because I can't think properly and I'm filling my words in there with curse words. So I try not to do that. I'm not that guy anymore. I'm not that young man cussing the storm, back in the army. But keep that in mind. You got to treat support right. Always, right? So if you're being discourteous to people, they're going to be discourteous to you. Okay. Yeah, that's enough on to making the music stuff, man. Give it an update. I've just updated this website again. I'm working on musical SEO so that we can get better search engine optimization and niche research for our tools and for the community. Let's see. I just popped this up. Let's see what it looks like here. We're signing in. We're going to do, I just closed. We're going to do some AI research because what I'm working on now is getting the bugs out of our AI strategies. This is generic. It created this, but we're going to go with dark blues music. Perfect. That's what I've been searching. And we're going to do is just do a niche analysis with API. Cool. Niche score 72, competition medium, demand level medium low, monetization high, opportunities. This is our analysis of the niche, right? AI analysis at the musicalseo.com, but I want to share this with everyone. Nice. Okay. Thematic playlist, sync licensing, merchandising, educational content. Offer courses or workshop on playing dark blues guitar. Okay. Justin Johnson. I watch him. If you play the guitar, you know who he is. Yeah, cool. Let's see if it does anything different for these. Now that's cached, so it won't. And everything cached is for 24 hours, right? On this app. So that way, if I research the same thing again, it won't publish different data for 24 hours. So that way it saves the SERP keys. That's how we're going to keep this very cheap as well too. But super cool tool. I like messing with the tools. And, I just want to encourage you to get out here and play with these AI tools. Find something fun to do. Because these opportunities are passing by. We got all results, and this is the free version with no keywords. You can see, and it's just like the niche research tool. Pulls all the top 10 or 20 niches there, and then I can click on Pro. I need to add in DuckDuckGo, and I want to put in my my suggest keywords. I want to get this to where you can search by volume and low and change this out. It's going to do different. Make it tailored specifically for artists. Excuse me. Hopefully I edit that out. But yeah, let's check out my Spotify for artists over here. Move that off. Don't want y'all to see too much. It's my main artist. And specifically because I've been publishing less albums and I have songs that were going viral that are going less viral now. But we're still getting a residual 50, 60,000, 70,000 streams a day. We're upwards of 100,000 streams a day for several months. And this is because I'm publishing music under different artists now, publishing less music under my main artist. I'm publishing more YouTube videos now. I'm building out more websites because AI's got me spread out a little bit. But I still publish music every day. I publish an album every day, at least one, if not 2 or 3, under 2 DistroKid accounts now because I don't want to overload it because they're watching this stuff. There's people out there that don't like what we're doing. Nothing we're doing is illegal, but there's people that don't like it. And best of luck to them. There's always going to be people to get left behind. You got to remember there was people that were out there with synthesizers arguing and yelling, and they were, trying to ban synthesizers. There was people trying to ban farming equipment, right? We wouldn't be able to feed the population of the world we have right now without farming equipment. Just think about these things. And it's the same exact thing that's happening here. Fear is driving everyone to be hateful towards this stuff. But that's enough babbling for me. I just wanted to get out here and talk to my people that are on the music journey, making money. It's how I've made my most money so far. I expect it to continue, right? Being profitable. But I do expect this niche to get filled up. I do expect this opportunity to go away. So if you are thinking about doing this or hopping into the community and getting the tools and all the stuff, hop in there. You can DM me in there. I try to answer all the questions in YouTube that I can anyway. But remember, if you have a question on YouTube, drop a new comment. If you comment on a thread we already started, I don't get the notifications to YouTube Studio. I don't get notifications to my phone. So I may not respond. It's not that I'm ignoring you. It's that I don't see it and I'm not searching through comments, right? I search through comments on the school community. I read everything on my school community and I respond to everyone in the school community too about anything that I'm working on, by the way. And, yeah. All right. Have a great day. Let's do some creating. Peace.